Okay, in this tutorial what we're going to do is learn about Photoshop actions. And the idea behind an action is that you're able to process quite literally hundreds of photos through one sort of recording that you make as an action. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up and go to Window and make sure that my Actions window is open. And if you take a look at this, you'll notice that you have some actions already sort of built in, and those are fine and dandy if you're going to use a vignette or framing or some toning or that sort of thing. But in this case, what we want to do is we want to crop and rotate some images and also apply some other things to it. So before you begin, you'll want to go down to this little icon, which is called Create New Action. You'll click on that, and it'll be Action 1 by default. I'm going to name this of Death Action. The name of the movie is Of Death and Dying, I believe. And I'm just going to click on Record. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go File, Open, find the files that I need, which would be under title sequence, and then I'm just going to pick one photo from that. Pardon me. So in this one, what I need to do is I'm going to rotate the image 90 degrees, and I am going to also change the image size. Since this is for video, I'm going to make it 72 dots per inch and 1920 wide. It has 1456 high. I'm going to change that in the canvas settings or in the crop settings so it's 1080 high. I'm going to hit OK, and then use the crop tool. And up here you'll notice that I previously put in 1920 by 1080, but it's as inches right now. I want to make sure that it's pixels, not inches. That would be kind of big. I'm going to apply that and center it the best I can. Of course, crop it. And then I'm going to File, Save As, and then I'm going to find my folder, my destination folder, which I'll put it under Finished Sequence. Click Save, make sure my quality is at 12, and then I'm going to close out, and that's it. And then you'll notice over here it has all of my actions: open, rotate, image size, crop, save, and close. And again, you can do any sorts of steps that you want to add in there. Now what I'm going to do is stop that action. Now what I'm going to do is go up to File, Automate, Batch. I'm going to select a folder, and that's going to be my title sequence. And I'm making sure that it's my Of Death action. And in this one, I'm going to override all my open commands. And then lastly, I'm going to pick a destination. It's the finished destination. I'm going to override the Save As command. And I'm going to do digit serial number and extension and hit OK. And that seems to work. And then you just sort of let it rip. And then, after you're done, you'll notice under my finished sequence, what's happening is it's numbering them, and that is how you do Of Action in Photoshop.